For thousands of years, humanity has called the rose the queen of flowers.
Kings filled their palaces with it. Ancient healers turned it into medicine. Priestesses bathed in rose water before sacred rituals.
And according to ancient myths, roses first bloomed from the tears and blood of the gods themselves.
The red rose was born from love and sorrow. Her divine blood touched the white roses, transforming them into deep crimson blooms. Her love became the scarlet flower, a symbol of immortal power. The red rose became the eternal symbol of love, beauty, passion, and sacrifice.
But the rose is more than a symbol of love. Her petals held the morning rain like tears. The winds grew still where rosewood grow.
Hidden within its soft rose petals is a powerful healing plant.
Roses had calmed the heart, eased digestion, perfumed temples, and comforted grieving souls for centuries.
Potentially. The rose is one of the oldest cultivated flowers on Earth. Fossil evidence suggests roses exist
over 30 million years ago, long before human civilization began. But humans quickly became enchanted by roses.
Ancient civilizations in Persia, Egypt, Greece, Rome, India, and China all treasured roses for beauty, healing, and spiritual rituals.
In ancient Persia, rose gardens were considered earthly reflections of paradise itself.
Do the roses please you, my general?
They pale in comparison to your beauty, my queen.
In ancient Greece, roses became associated with divine feminine beauty. The poet Sappho,
the queen of flowers, rose. Greek physicians such as Hippocrates and Tuarings and Dioscorides describe
The moon would kiss the roses white and silver them with sacred light.
Traditionally, roses are harvested before sunrise when their fragrance is strongest. The petals are then steam distilled to extract their aromatic compounds.
Rose may calm the nervous system. The scent of rose oil has been studied for its calming effect.
Rose petals contain beneficial plant compounds including polyphenols and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress.
For centuries, rose water has been applied to the skin to soothe irritation and refresh the complexion.
In a small double boiler, gently melt the beeswax. Add the rose-infused olive oil and stir until fully blended. Remove from heat.
Slowly whisk the rose water into the oil mixture. Add the honey and continue whisking until creamy.
For health, for beauty, and for wisdom, I am grateful.
May the rose bring softness to the skin, peace to the heart, and beauty to the spirit. As the flower rose,
may wisdom and grace unfold within. Rose preparations were used to comfort the stomach and support digestion. Rose tea is still consumed.
Across many cultures, roses were believed to comfort grief and sadness.
In India, rose water was added to desserts, drinks, temples, and sacred ceremonies.
And throughout Europe, rosewater became a luxury symbol of refinement and purity. The rose symbolizes divine love. In Christianity, and in ancient goddess traditions, roses were symbols of feminine power, fertility,
sensuality, and sacred beauty. The rose reminds humanity
that softness can also be powerful, that beauty itself can heal.
Today, roses can still be enjoyed in many forms: rose tea, rose water, rose oil,